How to take a screenshot on your Windows computer. For Windows 10 or later, all you have to do is press the Windows key and the print screen key at the same time. The screen will flicker and save the screenshot as an image. The image is saved to a folder called screenshots, which you will find in your pictures folder. For Windows 7 or older, simply press the print screen key. This will take a screenshot of everything being displayed on your screen. To view the screenshot, simply open an app like Microsoft Paint. Now click the paste button or simply press Ctrl plus V. After that, click File and select Save As. You can save it as anything you like, but personally, I prefer to save it as a JPEG image. You can save this image to the folder of your choice. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and I will see you in the next one.